Hello there, and welcome back to another Sun Brothers weekly tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to make your 24-piece snake cube into a musical note. Oh, by the way, make sure to check out our channel down below. My brother and I make interesting videos every week. I'm sure you're gonna find one that you like. Anyways, let's get right into the video.
Alright, so the first step in getting your snake puzzle into a musical note is to get it in this straight, unsolved line that I have right now. So once you have it in that state, you can go ahead and begin with counting 1, 2, and then bending the second one twice. Okay? Now we're going to count 1, 2, and bend the whole thing upwards twice. Or it's going to go upwards because we bend it twice. Now we're going to count 1, 2, 3, and bend the third one twice. Alright, because we're just kind of folding it in on itself. Now we're going to count 1, 2, and then bend that one twice. Alright, now we're going to kind of rotate this upwards so that yours should kind of match mine. And then we're going to bend this, tail end that we have up here. We're going to bend it upwards right here. So that's our new shape. Okay, now we're going to bend the whole thing on its right side right here. We're going to bend the whole thing like this. So we had it like this, and then we bend it like this. Okay, now we're going to count 1, 2, 3, and bend that one twice. Alright, so the next step is to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and bend the fourth one twice. And this next step is a little bit tricky, but I'm sure that you can follow along. What you're going to want to do is count 1, 2, 3, 4, and bend this one out like upwards, like that. So we're just going to be recreating this piece right here as this piece, just kind of behind it. So now you're going to count 1, 2, 3, and bend this one twice. Alright, now we're going to change views because it's very hard to see what I'm doing from this angle. So we're going to just bend it, or we're just going to rotate the whole thing over like this. Okay, and now we're just on the on the other side. So we're going to be working right here. So we're going to count 1. So we're going to count 1, 2, and bend the second one twice. Okay. And then we are going to count 1, 2, 3, and bend that one twice. And then for our last step, we're going to bend the second to last one twice, just to match the design, of the first one, like that. And that is our musical note.
Alright, that's all for this video. If you have any questions or need help with anything, leave a comment down below and I will respond within 24 hours, and maybe even sooner if you're lucky. Also, it would be awesome if you could check out our channel where we make interesting videos every week. I'll put a couple of our videos right here, and you can subscribe to our channel right here. Thanks for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you next time.